Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, give us a like. That way you can be assured you see all of our new arrivals as soon as they hit the lot. Also, for all the still pictures of the specific unit and a full description, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SherryChrysler.com. Today we're showing you a brand new arrival, a 2020 Ram 1500 5.7 liter Hemi motor and a crew cab 4-wheel drive. The color on this is hydro blue. Starting off in the front, you're going to notice we do have a chrome front bumper along with a chrome front grille. Also on that front bumper there towards the bottom, you're going to see little circles that run all the way across that front bumper. That is for your front monitoring system when pulling in or backing in, because there is also some on the back to those tight spots. Upgraded, really nice chrome wheel. This vehicle is a Bighorn edition, which is going to give you many standard features that make it an extremely nice truck. Also, you're going to notice you do have the chrome rear bumper, dual exhaust, as you're going to see. You also do have the tow package on this vehicle with a 4 and 7 pin wiring hookup, and you also do have a factory backup camera located right on the tailgate. This vehicle does not have a spray and bed liner, but it's something that can definitely be added. This vehicle comes with a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. It also comes with extended coverage on the powertrain. And guys, with this being a 5.7 liter Hemi, there should be no problem hauling anything you want to need to haul with any half-ton truck. This thing is very capable of hauling a very large amount of weight. Also, it's going to get great fuel economy. Even with that Hemi motor, it should be able to get in the mid-20s on fuel economy on the highway. Power side mirrors, power folding mirrors, power windows and power locks, automatic overhead headlighting, power foot pedestals, upgraded rubber floor mats with the Ram emblem in there. It also has power seat with power lumbar. This is a cloth seat. As you can see, it is there's a dark gray color as far as the color on that cloth seat. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have all the controls to operate your instrument cluster, which is located here in your center of your dash. It's going to give you all the functions of the vehicle while driving down the road. Right inside of there, we have all the hands-free capability buttons. You can program your phone directly into this vehicle, and you no longer have to reach for your phone while driving down the road when it rings. When it rings, you simply hit the green phone button, carry on the conversation directly through your speaker system. Cruise control located on the right hand side, and all your audio functions to operate your radio are on the back of the steering wheel. This vehicle is a push button vehicle, so you simply push the button to start it, leave the key fob in your purse or your pocket. This vehicle also does have a remote start. As you can see here, all the 4-wheel drive system is all push button, and also has a turn knob when it comes to your reverse, neutral, and drive. Once you put the vehicle in reverse, as you can see, you do get the factory backup camera pops up on the radio. AM FM radio. This whole radio is a touchscreen radio. It also has Sirius XM radio. Comes with a free subscription when purchasing this vehicle brand new. It also, you have your climate control functions built into the radio with dual climate controls, so you can set it on different temperatures if you'd like. It also has heated seats with a high, medium, and a low setting, and also a heated steering wheel. All your controls for your audio are located right here, and then you have a second option when it comes to your climate controls located right here. So not only can you operate it from the radio, you can operate all the functions of the climate control right here in the center. Trailer brake control, and also an extremely large center console. The center console can be pulled back in the front area, so you have a large deep compartment down there with an AC plug, or it can be shut where you'd have cup holders and a small knick-knack container. A large armrest right here behind it that does fold up with a small spot for storage with a USB plug, and then a large one underneath that. This vehicle also does have universal garage door openers. Up to 3 garage door openers can be programmed in at one time on this specific truck. The rear bench is the same color, obviously, as the front. It is a dark gray. It does have child safety hooks throughout this back bench seat, so you can safely and securely strap in them car seats. Also, you're going to notice it does have the rubber floor mat, just like up front. Very easy to clean. It also does have the Ram logo in the rear also. AC plug located down there. You're also going to have a USB plug, which is very nice and convenient for the rear passengers. All in all, extremely cool color, hydro blue. Got a lot of standard features in this Bighorn, which makes it a very nice truck. 5.7 liter Hemi, 4-wheel drive, crew cab, touchscreen radio, heated seats, and the list can go on. This vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button, give us a like. If you want to look at all the still pictures, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SherryChrysler.com.